Hi friends, welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks with a slogan We Grow Together. This is second episode of Organic Farming in India, a vision towards a healthy nation. Organic agriculture and sustainable development. The concept of sustainable agriculture integrates three main goals: environmental health, economic profitability, and social and economic equity. The concept of sustainability rests on the principles that we must meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The very basic approach of organic farming for the sustainable environment includes the following: improvement of maintenance of the natural landscape and agro ecosystem, avoidance of exploitation and pollution of the natural resources, minimization of the consumption of non-renewable energy resources, exploitations synergies that exist in a natural ecosystem, maintenance and improve soil health by stimulating activity or soil organic manures and avoid harming them with pesticides, optimum economic returns with a safe, secure and healthy working environment, acknowledgement of the virtues of indigenous know-hows and traditional farming system. Long-term economic viability can only be possible by organic farming, and because of its premium price in the market, organic farming is more profitable. The increase in the cost of production of the use of pesticides and fertilizers in conventional farming and its negative impact on farmers' health affect economic balance in a community, and benefits only go to the manufacturer of these pesticides. Continuous degradation of soil fertility by chemical fertilizers leads to production loss and hence increases the cost of production, which makes the farmer economically unsustainable. Implementation of a strategy encompassing food security, generation of rural employment, poverty alleviation, conservation of the natural resources, adoption of the export oriented production system, sound infrastructure, active participation of a government and private public sector will be helpful to make a revamp economic sustainability in agriculture. Status of organic farming in India: production, popularity and economic growth. Organic food and farming have continued to grow across the world since 1985. The total area of the farmland under organic production has been increased steadily over the last 3 decades. By 2017, there was a total of 69.8 million hectares of organically managed land recorded globally, which represents a 20% growth or 11.7 million hectares of land in comparison to the year 2016. This is the largest growth ever recorded in organic farming. The countries with the largest areas of organic agriculture land recorded in the year 2017 are given in figure 2. Australia has the largest organic lands with an area of 35.65% million hectares, and India acquired the 8th position with a total organic agriculture area of 1.78 million hectares. In 2017, it was also reported that day to day the number of organic producers increases considerably all over the world. Asia contributes to the largest percentage, that is 40% of the organic production in the world, and India contributes to the largest number of organic producer that is 8,35,000. The growth of organic farming in India was quite dwindling, with only 41,000 hectares of organic land comprising merely 0.03% of the total cultivated area. In India during 2002, the production of the organic farming was about 14,000 tons, of which 85% of it was exported. The most important barrier considered in the progress of organic agriculture in India was the lacunae in the government policies of making a firm decision to promote organic agriculture. Moreover, there were several major drawbacks in the growth of organic farming in India, which includes lack of awareness, lack of good marketing policies, a shortage of biomass, inadequate farming infrastructure, high input cost of farming, inappropriate marketing of organic input, inefficient agricultural policies, lack of financial support, incapability of meeting export demand, lack of quality manure, and low yield. In the Government of Union Budget 2020-21, rupees 687.5 crore has been allocated for the organic and natural farming sector, which was rupees 461.36 crore in previous year. Future prospects of organic farming in India. India is an agriculture based country with 67% of its population and 55% of manpower depending on farming and related activities. Agriculture fulfills the basic needs of India's fastest growing population, accounted for 30% of the total income. Organic farming has been found to be an indigenous practice of India that practiced in countless rural and farming communities over the millennium. The arrival of the modern techniques and increased burden of the population led to the propensity towards conventional farming that involves the use of synthetic fertilizers, chemical pesticides, applications of genetic modifications, techniques, etc. Finally, conclusion: organic farming yield more nutritious and safe food. The popularity of organic food is growing dramatically as consumers seek the organic food that are thought to be healthier and safer. Thus, organic food perhaps ensures food safety from farm to plate. The organic farming process is more eco-friendly than conventional farming. Organic farming keeps soil healthy and maintains environmental integrity, thereby promoting the health of consumers. Moreover, the organic produce market is now the faster growing market all over the world, including India. Organic agriculture promotes the health of consumers of a nation, the ecological health of a nation, and the economic growth of the national by income generation. Holistically, India at present is the world's largest organic producer, and with this vision we can conclude that encouraging organic farming in India can build a nutritionally, ecologically and economically healthy nation in near future. Funding: the review works was funding by University Grants Commission, Government of India. Thank you for watching our channel Farmer Geeks. Please do subscribe.